Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening voice memos and choosing the exact clip. This matters because ringtones must be short and clean. Once selected, tap Edit and trim the ends to remove silence. Make sure the memorable part sits within one continuous 30-second window. After trimming, tap the share icon and save the file to Files or iCloud Drive so GarageBand can access it. Doing this up front prevents re-editing later. Now your audio is ready to import into GarageBand for conversion. Now open GarageBand and create a new project. Audio recorder or sampler works fine, because GarageBand lets you export as a ringtone directly. Tap the Tracks view, import the memo from Files, and drop it at the start of the timeline so it plays immediately. Once placed, trim excess, add simple fades, and adjust gain to avoid clipping. These small edits improve clarity when the phone rings. Make sure the entire region does not exceed 30 seconds, since iOS restricts ringtone duration. Once your track is ready, tap the project settings and choose Share, then Ringtone. Name the tone clearly and export. GarageBand converts it into a ringtone file and offers to use it now. You can set it as the default ringtone or assign it to a contact from the prompt or later in Settings, Sounds, and Haptics. If the ringtone does not appear, make sure the clip is under 30 seconds, check Files permission, or restart the phone. This fixes most visibility or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.